Hello, my name is David Lee. I taught at Southern Utah State College and then Southern Utah University for 32 absolutely splendiferous years. I had many nicknames. Some are not recordable, but I was called the Pig Poet. I still get called that, so it's not a past tense thing. All right. What I'd like to do today in my little teaching bit, since I probably never was that good a teacher in the first place, but I like poetry a lot. So I have a poem that's very much a credo for me. I often give it to myself as a warm up for the mornings, and it has one section in it where it talks about young stones. I see that as a metaphor for young people. And I always thought that applied to what we were trying to do when we teach at a university, to teach these people to come up and have their moment in the sun. The poem is by a very good friend of mine, Arizona poet Richard Shelton. It's called Desert. Sometimes the sun is still trying to get to the horizon. When a daylight moon comes up, fragile and almost transparent, the ghost of a white bird with damaged wings blown off course and lost in the huge desert sky. It is the least protected of all unprotected things. A little wind goes by through the greasewood on its way to its nest of blue-veined stones, where it will curl up and rest, while darkness drops like a tile from the roof of a tall building. There are families of stones under the ground. As the young stones grow, they rise slowly like moons. And when they reach the surface, they are old and holy. And when they break open in the sunlight after centuries of waiting, each blooms with a rich odor once. Those who have lived here longest and know best are the least conspicuous. The oldest mountains are the lowest, and the scorpion hides all day beneath broken stone. If I stay here long enough, I will learn the art of silence. After I've given up words, I will become what I have to say.